Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm going to be taking you through the security management module of our White Sands resort management system. So this module has 5 core components and a few non-core components. The core components being one, a single logon screen for every user and the ability for incoming guests to use the following details to access the system and create their own guest account. Um, Two, various levels of user authority and authorization to match, which in practice limits the accessing of certain pages to certain people. Three, the ease of control over user accounts via people such as the HR administrator, database administrator, and master users. Ease an easy method for every employee to change their password. However, it is important to note that this person, anyone who logs in using this account, will not have that ability. We obviously do not want this to be changed, restricting future guests to using the account. And five, the movement of employees from the employee table to the Apex account system, giving them the ability to log in. So any new employee that's created will be added on top of every other employee to the account system, giving them accessing rights. So first of all, I'll log in as the guest to show you that. So the guest only can view this. So he can create guests, but for example, he's not going to be able to go to shows or view the tenant report. That the only thing he's really going to be able to do is this. The change password would normally be here, but it's not there because for the reason I said before. So next up, I'm going to log in as a low-level account. So from memory, Nicole Nagyuan is a hotel receptionist. So she has the access ability of her email system, um, i.e., sorry, that she can use her emails like any employee can. She can also do stuff relevant to her receptionist job. However, she's not going to be able to look at shows, etc., etc. Um, Casino cards. She's not going to be able to look at all that because it's not in her job description, and it's therefore not going to be in her ability to access the system. Note, she also has the ability to change password. I'll be showing you that at the end. Next, we'll go to the HR administrator, and we'll show you um, the employee integration part of it. So, John Fitzpatrick is an HR employee, but he's not going to be able to see this, for example. So, employee report. This is just a basic employee report. Let's create a new employee. We'll just do a test 176, maybe test 11, and the username is probably going to be test 1111. Emp group, go to user. So we'll create this account. It's going to show up wherever it's going to show up. We'll find it. 76 test unlocked, etc. etc. It works. Also, they have the ability to do certain things with this, but that's going to be detailed in the employee module video. So we'll log out as the HR admin and log in as the master user. And then we're going to update that account that we just made to the Apex system. So access this because he's a master user. The bar's only there because I'm logged in as Y15 group in the thing. If the workspace was to be exported and run, this would be logged in as the HR administrator and you wouldn't be able to access this. So we'll run the page, deploy users to Apex, deploy employee. Now what that's done is home, administration, manage users and groups. Test 1111, yep. So just given an account. So test 11 can now log in. Let's try it. Log out. Test 1111 test 11 login. Has the ability to access the system, but because he's a user, he's not going to be able to do much. Log out. So we've gone through single login screen, various levels of user authority, ease of control over user accounts, and the movement of employees to the employee table. So now I'm going to show you the changing of the password. So we're going to change the password of this person's account. So we're going to change Nicole Nagyuan's account. So change password. Are you sure? It's going to give us this. If we're not sure, we just return. If we are sure, change password. H00000001 admin1, which is her password. It's going to give us this form. So we're going to change it to admin11, admin11, apply changes, password changed, log out. Admin1 is going to give us invalid, admin11 will. So those are the core components of the module. Now limited to 3 attempts. I'm going to fail using admin1 3 times, and it's going to lock the account. Account is locked, so you see here. So now that because the person failed to log in several amounts of times, it's gone and locked the account. It's now left to a master user or a database administrator to then go in and change that to unlocked. Obviously, that's there to help protect against any issues, any hackers who are trying to just use a guess-based method of getting into a password. Anyway, that's basically it for the security management module. I'm going to come back and do the email module, but for now it's to other people.